Hey you guys, I am Shelly and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Crafts and Go. Today I have this fun tutorial on how to make this awesome shadow box card. For this you will require a card sheet of size 30.5 cm and 15 cm, and you're gonna have to score a line at 16 centimeters. You're also going to require another card sheet of size 31.5 cm and 15 centimeters, and you're going to have to score 3 lines at the given points. Here, as you can see, a box has been formed. Now, paste this sheet to the smaller side of the previous sheet. Here you can see that the picture I am pasting on the front of the card is same as that of the one which I have pasted on the inside. Here I am using some handmade stickers, but you can also go for the ready-made ones. There you go, a shadow box card with the Diwali theme is ready. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, give it a thumbs up and share this video to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done that. Wishing you all a very happy and safe Diwali.